Create a YouTube video using exactly this script. Making money with ClickBank involves several steps, from choosing the right product to promoting it effectively. Here is a detailed step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, let's understand ClickBank basics. What is ClickBank? ClickBank is an affiliate marketing platform where you can promote digital products created by other people and earn commissions on sales. To get started, simply sign up and create a free account on ClickBank's website. Next, you'll need to choose a niche. Now, let's move on to choosing your niche. Identify your interests. Select a niche you are passionate about. This could be health, fitness, personal development, etc. Then, conduct market research. Use tools like Google Trends, Keyword Planner, and niche-specific forums to understand the demand and competition in your chosen niche. The next step is to select a product. Browse the ClickBank Marketplace. Log into your ClickBank account and go to the Marketplace. Browse through categories that align with your niche. Then, evaluate products. Look for products with high gravity scores, which indicates popularity in sales, good commission rates, and positive reviews. Aim for products with a gravity score between 20 and 100. Now, let's focus on creating a promotion plan. You can use various methods to promote ClickBank products, including blogs, social media, email marketing, YouTube, and paid advertising. It's also crucial to start building an audience through content creation on platforms like a blog, YouTube channel, or social media pages. To effectively promote products, you'll need to set up your platform. First, purchase a domain name and hosting plan. Next, install a content management system like WordPress. Choose a professional theme and design your website to be user-friendly. Finally, start creating valuable content related to your niche, including product reviews, how-to guides, and informational articles. Generating traffic is key. Optimize your website content for search engines using relevant keywords, meta descriptions, and backlinks. Promote your content on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Additionally, build an email list by offering freebies like ebooks or courses, and use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit for email marketing. Now let's talk about how you can promote ClickBank products effectively. First, focus on content integration. You can naturally integrate ClickBank products into your content by writing reviews, tutorials, or comparison articles that feature your affiliate links. This approach not only provides value to your readers, but also enhances the chance of conversions. Next, consider using banners and ads on your website strategically. Place them where they are visible, but not intrusive. Lastly, don't forget to include clear and compelling call to actions, or CTAs, in your content. These should encourage readers to click on your affiliate links. Remember, a well-placed CTA can make a big difference in your affiliate marketing success. To effectively use paid advertising, consider running targeted Google ads for specific keywords related to your product. On Facebook, create ads that target your niche audience. And if you're into video content, promote your videos or run ads on YouTube to reach a broader audience. It's crucial to track your results. Use tools like Google Analytics and ClickBank's Analytics to monitor your traffic, clicks, and conversions. Based on this data, don't hesitate to tweak your content, promotion strategies, and ad campaigns to enhance your performance. As you gain more experience, it's time to scale your efforts. Expand your content and explore new topics within your niche. Diversify your traffic sources by utilizing podcasts, webinars, or collaborations with influencers. And as you become more comfortable, start promoting multiple products to diversify your income streams. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always stay updated with the latest trends and updates in affiliate marketing and your niche. Engage with your audience by responding to comments, interacting on social media, and replying to emails to build trust. And importantly, ensure you comply with ClickBank's and advertising platforms' policies, including properly disclosing affiliate links. By following these steps, you can systematically build a profitable affiliate marketing business using ClickBank. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this.